All right, winter storm watches in effect for a large portion of our area due to the potential of snow on Tuesday. We're letting you know about this on Sunday because we've got a nice day tomorrow, but on Tuesday, that's when things start to go downhill. So you'll want to make plans ahead of time for this winter weather heading our way. Pretty much the entire area will eventually be under winter storm watches. Just one Weather Service office issued them today. I do expect to see additional watches or advisories come out as we go into later tonight or tomorrow morning. Here's what's going to happen. Monday's going to be pretty nice. We're going to see winds out of the south, southeast, around 5 to 15 miles per hour, helping to bump our temperatures up into the upper 40s to low 50s. But by Tuesday morning, 4 or 5 a.m., that's when the moisture starts to approach. It will start off as rain first and then quickly transition over to snow. You notice around 5:30, 6 a.m., knocking on the doorstep of Southwest Virginia and getting closer to the Tri-Cities. By around 8 a.m. or so, I do expect the rain and snow to be moving into the Tri-Cities. So part of the morning commute may be okay, but as we go into the later portion of the morning, that's when the snow will start to fall. And by lunchtime, I do expect some snowy roads across the region with snow accumulations ongoing. As we go into the afternoon, snow with us for the early part, but then tapering off as we go later on into the afternoon on Tuesday. Could even see a few peaks of sunshine late Tuesday. And then Tuesday evening and overnight, that's when temperatures really start to plummet. On Wednesday, another system comes through, could bring us a few additional snow showers, but not expected to be as much. Here's the snow start time once again in a different visual for you. Generally 5 to 8 a.m. along the western portions of our viewing area towards the Tri-Cities, 7 to 10 a.m. and then 9 a.m. to around, let's say 10 a.m. for the mountains of North Carolina and the extreme eastern portion of the mountains of Tennessee. So this will be a system that'll move in early on Tuesday. A lot of people are going to go to work and then they're going to come home to some snow on the roads and across the region. So as we go throughout the day, in terms of road impacts, by daybreak, that precipitation moving in. So a few slick roads, but things worsening as we go later on into the morning. There is one caveat I want to say with this. Sometimes when we get snow during the daytime, it's a little bit harder to get it to stick to the roads, but with the rate of snow that we expect to come down, I do expect at least a light coating in many spots on the roadways. Here's what we expect for snow town by town. Our snow map here, generally a range of 1 to 3 inches across the area. It will really depend on where some of these little isolated snowbursts set up. Higher amounts towards Holston Mountain, into the mountains of North Tennessee here, towards Rome Mountain. We're up to 4 or 5 inches as possible on the higher elevations there. Then generally 1 to 3 inches across much of northeast Tennessee. Slightly higher amounts you go into southwest Virginia here from Clintwood over to Davenport. And then as you go into Saltville, around 3 to 4 inches. Parts of Smith County and eastern portions of Washington County coming in around 3 to 4 inches as well. We'll adjust these numbers as we go over the next 24 hours and either increase them or decrease them a little bit as we get new data in. New data comes in every 6 hours. So that's why forecasts can sometimes change even in the days leading up to a storm. The other part of this system, though, is the cold temperatures. Look at these highs for Wednesday. 26 degrees for the Tri-Cities. That's in the Tri-Cities. In the higher elevations, we're going to be down in the 20s or upper teens for highs. By Friday, climbing back to 40 degrees, but before that, an extended stretch of cold weather. Not as cold as our friends to the north, though. Check this out. Negative 60 for wind chills in parts of Iowa as we go into the later portion of this upcoming work week. Here, wind chills not as bad. We will be cold, though. Don't get me wrong. We'll certainly drop down to 0 or below in many locations, especially Thursday morning in terms of our wind chills. The mountains likely down to negative 10 for wind chills as we go into the early morning hours of Thursday. So I do expect some schedule changes, school delays, things like that. 27 tonight, partly cloudy skies, a light southeasterly wind as we go into tomorrow, expecting temperatures to warm up into the upper 40s to low 50s. Good amount of sunshine during the afternoon, some clouds around to start off the day, some more clouds later on into the evening and overnight as that system pushes into our region. But dry tomorrow afternoon, temperatures climbing up into the upper 40s to low 50s. Not bad at all, a little bit above average actually for what we're supposed to be at this time of the year. Average high 46 degrees. Weather alert days for Tuesday and Wednesday because of the snow and cold that we expect across the region. Look at the high there for Thursday, only 28 degrees, morning low of 4 for the Tri-Cities. I would not be shocked if some of the higher elevations drop down to 0 or maybe negative 1 as we go into Thursday morning. Remember, the wind chill will make it feel even colder. Saturday, a slight chance of a few flurries, snow showers, or maybe even some rain showers pushing through. But the bigger story, the Tuesday and Wednesday system. We'll have more data tonight to look over and show you on News 5 on Fox, News 5 at 11. And, of course, David Boyd will be in here tomorrow morning with the latest forecast info as well. You know, I've been so used to, like, the teens that today actually felt kind of nice. It did. You know, it was a pretty seasonable day. Temperatures reached the upper, the mid-40s in many spots. So a lot nicer than it's going to be later this week. I'll take it. Yeah. All right.